Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here. Today we're doing a reverse sear scorpion steak. Stay tuned. So today we'll be reverse searing a tomahawk ribeye, rubbed with our scorpion rub. Now what we want to do is just get an even coating on the steak, put it in direct on the coals and cook it around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Any hotter, it can cook too fast. Any lower, obviously too slow. But 250 seems to be the right temperature to cook this at. Stay tuned for more. You're gonna love it. So what we have here is a 1 kilogram tomahawk steak. We just picked this up from the local supermarket. About to give it a rub with the famous scorpion. Now after applying the rub, we want to put this on the pit. Now we're looking for a doneness of 125 degrees Fahrenheit internal before we sear. So once it's all rubbed up and adhered to the meat, you just want to put this in direct opposite the coals on your Weber or any cooker that you're using. Now once I hit the halfway mark, which is at about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, I like to give it a flip for even cooking. So now it's time to rest the steak. Now what we want to do is just put this aside, open up all the vents on the Weber just to get the grill nice and hot, and wrap this loosely in foil just while the pit comes to temperature. So after about 15 to 20 minutes rest, we're going to throw this guy straight on the grill grates to get some nice sear. Now my favourite part, those beautiful grill marks. Check it out. All right, moment of truth. Scorpion, can't beat it. Well, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions for us, please hit us up on YouTube, comment section, Facebook, and even Instagram. If you haven't reviewed our products, you're more than welcome to do so at lanesbbq.com.au. That's lanesbbq.com.au. If you haven't tried the products, please do so. Scorpion steak, created by Chef Eric, and in partnership with Ryan. Absolutely fantastic rub. Goes so amazing on steak, as you can see in the video. Now, if that is not your required doneness, you're more than welcome to cook it a little bit further, but all of us at Lanes HQ like the medium rare steak. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a safe and happy week. Take care.